Hi guys, my name is Priyansh Chen and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 3. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are the company which we provide all type of solutions, homework solutions, any type of subject solution that you want. And if you have any problem in your study, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. So we provide all type of solutions to your study to related to your study. Just tell your problem on our WhatsApp. We provide all type of solution in a day. So thank you. Now the question number is, say the comment on the following: export incentives are not universal practice. Then in export import trade people are dealing with in documents and or not in goods. Credit is not in major weapon of international competition but involves risk. Exchange control regulations are not administered by Reserve Bank of India. So this is the question number 3 which we have to answer it. And if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.